So I get asked a lot of the time, what is the best way to tile my bathroom? And the answer to that question is there are two ways you can do your bathroom. One way being a standard tiling, which is more vertical and horizontal lines. And then there's another way, which is called brick bonded. Now, if you look at your house, you'll see the bricks are all staggered. That's what brick bonded is. So what you can see over here, which I've got here with a smaller tile, is a brick bonded effect tiling. One thing to be cautious of when you are doing brick bonded tiling is the walls have to be so flat. You have to be so careful of that, because especially when you have little tiles, what it is, you can't manipulate the tile well enough to go with a wall that's slightly bent or out or not been bonded properly or anything like that. So be very cautious of that. You can do brick bonded with a large tile, but once again, something else to be cautious of is the fact that if you've got a big tile, if you haven't got a good quality porcelain or a good quality ceramic, if the tile itself is quite bowed, then once you get to a point of doing brick bonded, you get sort of shadowing. And then what happens is the tiler may have done the most amazing job tiling, but because the tile wasn't of a high quality, you get slight shadowing underneath each of the tiles, which causes a little bit of problems. So once again, just be aware of that if you do like brick bonded, because brick bonded tiles do look lovely, and especially if you use the right tiles. So I just want to bring you through here now, just show you what vertical and horizontal tiling looks like. So that's what this is. So this is a horizontal and vertical line tiling. This is standard tiling. You can do it with a feature wall like I've got it here, and you can do it with the flat colours over here as well. Now, this is my favourite type of tiling. I like the nice clean lines, modern, doesn't look so busy. But the good thing about this as well, when you are using a bigger tile, you haven't got to worry so much about the condition of the wall behind. Because it's a bigger tile, you can manipulate the tile and the adhesive to give you a nice flat wall that you're looking for, and that finish with no sharp edges. So when the grout goes in, it all looks absolutely amazing. So that's the difference between brick bonded tiling and standard tiling, and how you should tile your bathroom. So I hope that answers your question, and if you have any other questions, please give me a shout about how you'd like to do your own bathroom. But other than that, go see all my videos, blogs and articles that have all been created and designed for you to help you with your home improvement project. So go check them out, and I'll catch you next time.